If CapCut on your PC is showing a no internet connection error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through two simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. This is a really common issue, especially when CapCut is unable to connect properly after an update, a settings change, or a firewall restriction. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn off hardware acceleration in CapCut and how to check your firewall or antivirus settings so CapCut can access the internet again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open CapCut on your PC. Once the app is open, look for the settings option. Depending on your version, this may be in the top menu or in the main CapCut preferences area. Click on settings, then go to the performance section. This is where CapCut keeps its hardware acceleration options. Now you need to turn off both hardware accelerated encoding and hardware accelerated decoding. These features can sometimes cause connection or rendering issues, especially on systems with driver conflicts or unstable graphics settings. After you disable both options, make sure to save the changes if needed, then fully restart CapCut. Do not just close the window. Make sure the app completely exits and opens again so the new settings can take effect. Once CapCut restarts, check whether the no internet connection error is gone. For many users, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If you are still seeing the error, then the next thing to check is your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes security programs block CapCut from reaching the internet, even though your actual connection is working perfectly. Open your Windows Security, Antivirus app, or firewall settings, and look for any blocked apps or internet permissions. Make sure CapCut is allowed through the firewall and that it has permission to communicate on private and public networks if needed. If your antivirus has a web protection feature, temporarily disable it just to test whether it is causing the issue. If CapCut starts working after that, you'll know the security software was the problem. In that case, add CapCut to the allowed apps list instead of leaving it blocked. Also, if you use a third-party firewall, check its application rules and make sure CapCut is not restricted. It's a good idea to restart your PC after making these changes, especially if you changed firewall permissions or turned off security filters. After rebooting, open CapCut again and test your internet connection inside the app. You should now be able to load online features, sign in, and continue editing without the connection error. So to quickly recap, first turn off hardware acceleration inside CapCut, then check your firewall and antivirus settings to make sure nothing is blocking the app's internet access. These two steps fix the issue for a lot of users and can save you a ton of time troubleshooting it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful CapCut and PC fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.